Hey guys, what's up? It's Travis here. You can probably hear the wind already. So guess where I am? If you watched yesterday's video, you'll know. Hello, Maryland, with my cousin Katie.
Hello.
We were gonna do a video on the trampoline, which we still might do later, but right now we're on that. If someone else is out there to supervise us later, because apparently I'm not old enough, then we might be able to do one, and I'll just delete this video. I don't even know that this existed. So, yep. We are out here.
Every time I'm up here.
Yep.
The boxes.
Here, hold the camera.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the next car to go by. I'm gonna go like that to try to get them to honk. Watch this.
Oh my god. Really?
Yeah, really. This is gonna be
Oh
awesome.
god. Oh my god. Coming from that one.
Now. Ready?
It's not working. Wow.
They even honk. I hate these people. Alright, here.
Apparently, drivers don't care about how guys
Okay, listen, this is pretty obvious. Look, this is pretty obvious that it means honk your horn. You're gripping the steering wheel and you honk your horn. People are retarded. Either they didn't see me because they're blind, not really blind, you know, just making fun of them. They don't care because they're morons, or they don't know what it means because they're stupid.
Or for all of the above.
Yeah. Alright, hopefully another one comes soon. Here. Yeah, I'm really gonna try it. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be like the most fun thing I've ever done.
So far, there are no cars coming down the road. Either end. Oh well.
This could take a while, so
Wait, I hear a car coming around somewhere.
probably have a couple minutes to, you know, get some chips, go to the bathroom or something.
Oh, I hear one.
Forget that. Here comes one.
Okay. That way.
Coming from that way? Okay.
Oh, I don't hear it anymore. Probably turned.
I'm gonna go exactly like that. And if they don't do it, I'm gonna be so mad. Can I jump out in the middle of the road?
You're stupid. That's just the wind. Oh my god, Travis! Yes, my cousin is crazy.
Running fail.
Whoa. Back away from the road. I'm gonna get killed if I found out.
Is that the wind or another car?
Wind.
It's a car.
Oh, car. And there we go.
Come on, I'm serious.
Those people are such idiots.
Yes, they are. Here's another one. Quick. Take it.
Okay. I think I'll report that there's cars coming.
Last try.
But which way is it coming from? Phew, which way is it coming from? Okay, let's get to the thingy. Open it.
Go, 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 go.
We are running for our lives, because if my mom finds out we're back here, I'm dead. Let's run, 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 run. I'm gonna be so cute. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. As you can see, we might get caught. Hurry up.
And that was my idiot brother that just said hello to me. Right, give me the camera. Oh. We've been spotted. We're not supposed to be back here if you haven't figured that out yet.
That's my mom.
Yep.
My mom probably so
We're done. left something over there. I didn't really leave something over there. We're just going this way. Alright. Another car. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. We're going 30 miles an hour. Alright, look at this. Look at this hole. That is electric. Wow. Kind of hard to tell, so I'll come on this side. Oh, we are? Okay. Watch, I'm gonna stand on it. He said this is a really good place. Yeah, before the video started, she dared me to stand on this. I was like, no way, I don't know what's down there. Someone will come up and grab my phone from me now. So, here we go. I might get chopped, so, yeah, you're gonna want to take this.
Alright, remember, if he gets hurt, don't blame me, blame his mom.
Blame my mom? What?
He got hurt.
Oh, okay. Make sure it's on me. Alright, ready?
In the hole, in the hole, in the hole.
I guess there's nothing down there. There's nothing down there.
Seriously, I just saw something.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I'm looking. No. Here comes another car. Alright, let's try.
I'm really gonna go for that again? It's just crazy. Probably gonna make more money, don't you? My gosh, it's so crazy. Probably it's the wind. What, the car? These people are just morons. Wait.
Oh, they did it! They did it!
They did it!
Did you hear that?
They did it!
Best people ever. Here comes another car.
Again. Okay, we're going to try it again. We're going to try again.
Here we go. Alright.
You see it?
Another car. I
You
don't see it, but I can hear it.
You're known as the wind. Okay.
Oh no, that's definitely a car.
Oh yeah. Oh no, never mind. You're right. It is a car.
Oh, it's Jack the Sailor.
Hey, what are the same people that just talked to us?
Alright, no one honked except those one people.
You were awesome.
You're awesome. Oh! I promised my friend Jonah I'd give a shout out for 2 things. Trying to get me views and calling my hair sexy.
Okay, let's get back out here for my mom.
Yeah, he called my hair sexy. I don't know why, but alright, say goodbye, Katie.
See ya.
Alright, we might come back down here in another week or so. I don't know. And this might not even get on YouTube if we get to get on the trampoline again. So see ya.